In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to PowerPoint 2016. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work or school, being able to visually show a location can make your slides much more engaging and informative. So let's dive right in and explore how this can be done simply and effectively. First, let's head over to Google Maps. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Maps in the search bar. It's usually the first result that pops up, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the Google Maps homepage, you'll want to think about the particular location you want to showcase. This might be a city, a landmark, or any place relevant to your presentation. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the place you want to feature and press enter. You'll see the map zeroing in on your desired location, providing you with a detailed view. With the place locked in, the next step involves capturing an image of the map. For this, you'll need to open the snipping tool on your computer. This handy little tool should be available on your Windows operating system. You can find it by searching for Snipping Tool in your Start menu. Once opened, the application allows you to create custom screenshots. Click the New button on the Snipping tool and you'll be able to draw a box around the section of the map you want to capture. Try to include all the necessary details you wish to highlight in your presentation. Once you've captured the section, save the snip to a location on your computer that's easy to remember. Now it's time to open PowerPoint. Start by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. If PowerPoint 2016 is already installed, it should open without any issues. Once inside, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to add your map image or create a new presentation if starting from scratch. Pick the slide where the map would be most effective. With your slide ready, the next step is to insert the map snippet. Go back to where you saved your snipped image. You can simply drag and drop the image onto your chosen slide, or you can right click on the file, select copy, and then go to your PowerPoint slide and right click again to select paste. Adjust the image to your satisfaction by resizing or repositioning it as necessary within the slide. Adding a visual map in PowerPoint provides a geographical context that can emphasize the points you are presenting, making your presentation not only more informative, but also visually appealing. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate Google Maps into your slides, enhancing your audience's engagement and understanding. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and if you have any further questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.